So today we will be recreating this retro text effect in Canva in just a few clicks. Here is the preview of the design we will be creating. So first go to the Canva homepage and select create a new design in your desired ratio. In my case, I am selecting the YouTube thumbnail ratio, which is 16:9. Now we have a blank canvas here. We will adjust it a little like this. Turn the background to black and now close this. Next, add the text and search for an app called Type Gradient. You can go to Discover and type Type Gradient and it will appear. The first time you click on the app, it will ask you to open it. After opening it, you can directly use the app. Now type whatever you want in the text box, for example, retro. Make sure the caps lock is turned on and change the font. You can use any font you want, but I will scroll down a bit to find the D-back font. Here it is. You can scroll down or just search it in the search box like this. Once you find it, select it and press back. Next, choose your desired color from this color box. I will choose orange for the middle of the text and red for the top. But I will adjust it a little to make it more vibrant. To give the bottom red a darker effect, I will just drag it down a little. Now after checking everything, just add the text to your design. Next, resize the text. Position it in the center and download it as a PNG. Make sure to tick the transparent background option before downloading. Wait for a few seconds and it will be downloaded to your device. Now drag the PNG to your design like this. You can delete the old text and use this new PNG. Position it and close this one. Click Edit and scroll down to the Apps section. Click See All and find the Bad Divi app. Just click on it and wait for a few seconds. You can use any of the effects, but my favorites are Retro and Fuzz. We will use the Fuzz one this time. First, max out the static slider. Set the scanline width to 0.5, which works fine. Adjust the thick distort slider to 0.2 and the fine distort slider to 0.1. Now increase the thick distort slider to 0.4. Change the scanline amount to 0.5 and adjust the scanline width to 0.4. Finally, you can change the position if you want, and perfect. Now hit the save option and the text will automatically be uploaded to your Canva uploads. After that, you can close it and your retro gradient text effect is ready.